Keto Cocktails and Karma coming at you with another great keto meal. Today we're making hot Italian subs. All right, first thing we're gonna do, take half an onion, cut that up lengthwise. Take our bell pepper, cut that up lengthwise as well. Get our hot Italian sausage, put those up in 1-inch bites. Pop these bites into the air fryer, 375 for about 10 minutes. Next, we are gonna caramelize our onions, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of heat, let those brown up. Once those start to loosen up, then add in your bell peppers, let those also loosen up. Next, we are gonna toast up our buns. These are Kroger Carb Master buns, 4 net carbs each for those buns, great hot dog buns. Next, you're gonna take our sausage, put those in there, take our marinara. This is Victoria Organic from Costco, super keto friendly marinara. Haven't found a better marinara out there. After these have marinated for about 10 minutes, we're gonna plate these babies up, top them with some more sauce and mozzarella cheese. There you have it, hot Italian subs, about 7 carbs per sub. Enjoy.